Studying in Canada can be an amazing experience. The country offers world-class education at universities and colleges that cater to international students. Do you want to be a student in Canada, but you're not sure where to start? Here's how to apply. Step 1. Do your research. Research the universities you want to study in and narrow down your options to your top 3 favorites. Step 2. Check the admission requirements. Make sure to check the language requirements, credit score requirements specific to the degree you want to pursue, and what information you need to include in your application. Step 3. Submit the required documentation. Most universities have dashboards where you can make an online profile and upload your documentation. You'll need to upload the following: a certified copy of your diploma or certificate, a complete application form for your course, letter of intent, language results that are no more than 1 year old for English or French, proof of funds, ECA, educational credential assessment of any previous qualifications. Step 4. Get your offer of admission. If your application is successful, you'll receive an acceptance letter, also called an offer of admission. Step 5. Apply for a study permit. With a valid acceptance, you can apply for a Canadian study permit. You'll also need the following: have enough funds to support yourself, have a medical certificate, have the intent to come to Canada for the sole purpose of studying, intend to leave after your studies are complete, provide police clearance. To start your Canadian study journey, get in touch with us today.